It's that time again. One of my favorite times, and that is unboxing the Stream Deck. So today, going to be unboxing the Stream Deck, and seemingly it's going to be a must-have for like some video editors and content creators. So basically, what it is, it's a little panel that has a lot of, well, in this case, it has 15 buttons. Each button, I can sort of customize and say, this is what this button is for. So here goes. Let's unbox. Okay, so what way are we gonna do this? Oh, there's a nice wee peel in the back. So it's compatible for Mac users, and it's what I've seen is Mac is before Windows. That's interesting. Get the trusty keys out. This is how I like to open these wee tags. Some people can use knives, but I use my keys. And they have two tags, one on the bottom and one on the top. Fantastic! Da-da-da-da-da. It's well inside the box. Wow. They really don't want me to get in here. They really don't want me to get in. They're going in. My goodness, this is a tight box. Just a workout. So this is it. It's Stream Deck. Ooh, those feel good. Those keys feel very good, actually. So basically, you get up 15 keys, and yeah. Sits quite nicely here. Right, so pretty nicely packaged, I must say. So I'm bringing this out, and what I have noticed as soon as I open this, I've noticed that I haven't got a USB-C, but I've got a USB-A into USB-C. That's kind of interesting. I thought it was going to be USB to USB-C, considering the day we're in. But it doesn't matter. I've got plenty of ports. I have plenty of ports. Now, where are we going to plug this? Where is it being plugged in? Wow. Okay, so with this, I've noticed that the power, I think I'm going to have to put the cable through this wee hole. But first, before I do that, I'm going to have a look and see what the manual says. It's not often you consult with a manual these days. So, Elgato. It's not telling me anything interesting. It's really not actually telling me anything interesting. I thought I was going to be able to like find out how I'm going to install the cable and install the rest of the. But no, it's a lot of rubbish in the manual. Well, what was this? Okay, here's the getting started guide, the one I've been looking for. So, they want me to go to elgato.com and download. Now on here, it really doesn't show where to plug the Elgato in, but you're similarly going to be trying to find the USB-C port here somewhere. So anyways, I go to elgato.com and see if I can download this. Okay, so I'm trying to plug in the cable, and then as I was doing that, I realized that for some reason come on. I was trying to plug in, and what I've realized is that thing comes apart. So you can easily plug in USB-C. If I wasn't able to have done that, then yeah, this I didn't really check the manual, but you know, this it looks a wee bit footery, but oh, that is so footery. Okay, so I managed to click that in, and yeah, it's really, I'd say it's really badly designed, that bit of it, but well, as long as it works whenever I plug it in. So that's my USB, and I'm gonna find a port somewhere to plug it in. Have to go behind them. It's there. Looks quite. I've got so many cables here, but at least it's. I've got so many cables, but at least it's lighting up. So I'm just gonna install the Stream Deck software now. Accept the terms and conditions and agree. And then I'm gonna install. Type in my password. Here we go. As we see, move to bin. So there we go. Both of the screens basically up here will relate to what's happening on the Stream Deck itself. So I can pretty much customize those. Because I haven't used the Stream Deck before, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how it goes. And you know, this is just the initial look at it. As long as I can have the shortcuts that I need at the right places, I think it's going to do an amazing job. So I'm just going to park this video here, and yeah, I'm going to have a look and see what the Stream Deck can do. And yeah, going to maybe come back in a couple of days and say, yeah, this is really what it does. So looking forward to using it, and only time will tell if it's actually going to make a huge difference for me or not. And that's the exciting thing. It's stepping into the unknown. I'm not sure what it's going to do, but we'll see. Hope you have a good day. And yeah, if you've got a Stream Deck, let me know how you use yours. I'd be interested to know. Anyways, hope you have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.